Okay, so with this, I've been doing a project of if I was homeless, what would the basics of what I would have be. Now, I don't know if I have anything in here, but not included is hand sanitizer, toothbrush and toothpaste, like the little dollar stuff, and mouthwash. Trying to do this is gonna be a pain in the butt. But in here is two. I'm going to show you this one. Two of these to clean yourself with. These work really well to clean yourself with, trust me. I'm only working with one hand here. Okay, so like little stuff like this, like little food stuff that's like $1. A way to eat. So I put my little cheapo hobo knife in here. Something really good. I put 3 of these little Kleenex things, and this is very versatile. Very versatile. You can use it to, as it was intended. You could use it as toilet paper. You could use it as like a way to put hands like. I know I've actually done this because I'm crazy, but you can put hand sanitizer on this and clean your face. You can do a lot of stuff with this. So I put 3 of them in here. Now this is just a so far. So. And then here I have some masks. Okay, I'm working with one hand here, so I don't want to. I have more masks I'm putting in here, but I have these type of masks. These type of masks that you can like and all that in here. I have a black and I have a orange one. I'm getting more. I'm putting more masks in here because I bought some more masks to put in here. You can never have too many masks. Nowadays, you cannot have too many masks. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all the stuff I have in here. Yeah. Next way, it would be good that way, but I would have it that way. So yeah. Anyway, that's the bag. And yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, end the video, and then once I have both hands free, anyway, tell me what y'all think about this. So yeah, anyway, peace.